it's here.
AMD is launching the R9 9950 X3D.
And it seems the market still can't get enough of the
benchmarks of the 9950 X3D.
The last members of the Zen 5 family.
To be honest, there's a lot of amazing content that's already out there from the usual suspects.
That AMD sent me so that I would have time to play with.
Hardware Canucks, you got Hardware Unboxed, you got Gamers Nexus, you got Linus, you got, obviously you got Digital Foundry.
And boy, I have.
The 9950 X3D is comparable to the 9800 X3D in gaming situations. Not a big surprise there.
The 9950 X3D is a 16-core, 32-thread Zen 4-based processor featuring two 8-core CCDs, and one of them has been armed with AMD's 3D V-Cache technology, and it's set to cost $700 US. The 9950 X3D is a beast.
The 9950 X3D did squeeze out a very narrow win, narrowly edging out the Ryzen 7 model at 1440p, though it becomes a wash at 4K.
In Cyberpunk 1080p and Ultra settings, the 9950 X3D is 8% faster than the previous 7950 X3D. I could observe the same kind of behavior in the new Kingdom Come Deliverance too.
If you do stuff like a lot of compression, decompression, maybe you render things on the CPU for one reason or another, maybe you are heavy into Premiere, as an example, or you do a lot of code compiles. We've got charts for all those.
The 9950 X3D sucks back a constant 200 watts. The X3D version actually runs a whole lot cooler. AMD is binning some of their best cores for these chips.
Now, for those of you just interested in gaming, the 9950 X3D doesn't make much sense from a cost perspective.
Mission accomplished for AMD here.
The best all-rounder, you know what they say, it just works.
We have two different types of CCDs on there.
We have a V-Cache chiplet.
The problem with core parking, AMD says they fixed that it should automatically now provision Windows to do the right thing and put it onto the core, the right CCD. The X3D side is 5550, so it's faster. That's what numbers are.
Really high, like the highest on the chart.
Wow.
And if you then, when you're done with all that work, play games that don't want a super high frame rate, that's kind of the use case for this.
Because they have created what I would call sort of like the everything CPU.
And for me, this one's an easy recommendation with very few caveats.
That's it, you've got the numbers. Anyway, thanks for watching.
I'm your host, Steve. See you again next time.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. As always, we'll see you in the next one.
Have a great day, guys.
Anyway, I'm signing out now.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Okay, so trying to manual overclock the CPU right now with the multi-core stuff